Hello, this is chi-square part 1 of 3, step by step. Chi-square, when researchers need to compare their current result to previous historical result, investigators use the chi-square technique, and when the observed values of the chi-squares are higher or lower than the expected value, then the observed frequency values are different than the corresponding expected values. No difference, but the result shows there is a difference, then we reject the null hypothesis. Chi-square, observed, expected. We are going to compute the chi-square, so we have the yes 22, no 18, observed, expected yes 14, no 12. Then what we need to do is data. From data I select megastat. From megastat, then you come here, it said I want chi-square. This is chi-square. No, that's not it. Chi-square, chi-square. One more time. Chi-square. This is the chi-square. Then we have two input. This is the first one. And this is the second one. This is the first one. Both of them, two columns, and here they put the cursor in the second expected value, and you highlight the two columns. Then you have both of them. This is the observed, this is the expected, and you click OK, and here are the numbers. And the chi-square is 7.57. and degrees of freedom is 1. Why? Because you have two variables. 2 minus 1 is 1. Thank you.